From exercise 1.2, we have come to the seventh problem. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchases, right? So here the merchant, who is the person whose job is to sell and buy, he is the merchant, right? So now here in this it is a female, so her, that is she had a rupees 78,592 with her, right? So from that what she is going to do, she is ordering for the 40 radio sets, and one radio the cost at rupees 1200. So here one radio set is for rupees 1200. So now she has to find for 40. So but the total amount she had, it is 78,592. So first you have to find out the question what is there. You have to read properly and you have to find out for one radio if it is 1200, for 40 radio how much. So as you already previous problem you have seen there, if it is for 1 you have to calculate for a 10, right? So then the same way if it is for 1 this much, for 40 how much, right? The cross multiplication as you already learnt in your previous classes, similar to that itself we have a problems here. But after doing this she had an amount. To that amount you have to check how much it is left with her. How much money will remain with her after the purchase. Solution. Here the merchant had, that means total money merchant had rupees 78,592. So for one radio, means you have to frame a statement in this way. Cost of one radio is rupees 1200. So cost of 40 radios is, you have to find out that, right? As we have seen that if it is for one quantity, finding for the 10 quantities, you have to use a multiplication. The same way here, now for one radio is 1200, you know that. For 40 radios you have to find out, so you have to multiply with the 40. As you already know that 0 into any number is 0 itself. So it will become 0, and the other number we have at 10th digit is 4. So already you have learnt the multiplication in this form in your previous classes. So I will take it directly here. 12 fours are, you know that it is 48. Tables you know that. So you can use it directly. 12 fours are 48. And the 3 zeros are there. Take the 3 zeros down. Okay. The next, now you got that for one radio it is 1200, and for 40 radios you got that 48,000, right? So for 40 radios she spent, the amount is 48,000. Fine. Now but total amount she had, it is 78,592. The question is given for you is the money will remain with her. How much money is left with her? You have to find out that. So what you have to do is the amount given, what was with her, that, and the paid amount for the 40 radios. You have to take those and you have to subtract, because what is remained you have to find out. So you have to use the subtraction here. So if you subtract, I'll take that. And as you have a problem solving here, always the statement you have to write in the working part and the calculation part as a rough column. Because this, if you do that, it will be clear for you how you got the answers and how you calculated the solution. So the next is, you have to subtract the bigger number to the smaller number, that is 78,592 minus 48,000. So if you subtract, 2 minus 0 is 2, 9 minus 0 is 9, 5 minus 0 is 5, 8 minus 8 is 0, 7 minus 4 is 3, right? So the amount here for 40 radios it is 48,000, and the money left with her is, after subtracting you got that 30592, that is 30,592. So finally she left out with the amount 30,592, and the amount paid for the 40 radius is 48,000, right? Here this problem considers with the first part with the multiplication and second part with the subtraction. So you have to be careful to read the question and solve it properly. Okay. Now the question number 8. Here a student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Right. So here a student, what he has done, he has to do a one multiplication calculation. So he took the number 7236 and he multiplied with the 65. But he has to take the number 56. But instead of 56, what he has taken? He has taken the 65. So using that he has done the calculation. Now from that both the multiplication you will get the answer. That answer, how much it was greater. Means for example, what he has done, 12 twos are. The answer you know that it is 24. And one more, what he will take, that 12 fours are. Right? You can see that. Right? So instead of doing 12 fours are, actually the teacher said in that 12 fours are. To calculate 12 fours are, but instead of calculating 12 fours are, what he has done? He done it for a 12 twos are. So and after doing that he came to know that teacher did that with the said that to do with the 4, but I have done with the 2. So what was the difference in between both this? Right? So that you have to find by how much it was greater. That you have to find out. So like that it is given in this problem. So he has to use 7236 to multiply 56. But he used 65. So what was the calculation? What was the answer greater? We will see that. So here now we are seeing that, right? So if you have to find the correct answer, first you have to go for the wrong answer. Means instead of, he used that instead of, right? So that you have to find out. So 7236 into 65, that will become the wrong answer. Right? 65 he used it instead of 56. 56 is the right one. So correct answer is that 7236 into 56. Right? So 7236 into 65, you have to calculate and find the answer. Then 7236 into 56, you have to calculate that. So by multiplying you can do this. Right? You try out with your calculations in your notebook. So I will go with this answer. And now after doing this, you will get the two values of this. After multiplying with the 65 and the 56. One will become the wrong answer, one will be the correct answer, because instead of that he used it. So now after multiplying you will get this. So one will be the wrong answer, one will be the correct answer. So you have to find out by how much was this answer greater. Answer greater means difference of the two answers. Means one will be the right, one will be the wrong. Obviously you have to go with the calculation here with the difference. Difference is nothing but subtraction. So think that you will get, after calculating you will get the answer. You try out with these calculations. I will write it directly here. That is 470,340 minus 405,216. So if you subtract this, you will get the difference here. Right? So that difference will be is the correct answer. You will come to know this. So by how much it was difference with the correct answer and wrong answer. You will come to know this after calculating the values. Till now we completed up to the 8 problems. So now here next we have the problems based on the division. So that next division problems we will see in the next class. Fine. Thank you. Try out with the other left out problems as a homework and do well. If you have any doubts, you can clarify it. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.